What?
Are
What?
you singing?
Yes, I am.
How many mushroom in the salad? The color yellow in it is. And even telling don't look at me only. Don't look at the mushroom.
Life finds a way, my dudes. Life finds a way. Put them in that. He also was like a baby when I got it, so
I'll get there.
Probably doesn't fit in it.
he's gonna get there.
Oh.
Yeah.
He's gonna get there loudly too.
Hello.
Cute.
There's a little family.
Toys. Bugs.
We got a little family. Hello. It is Monday, May 2nd. I'm currently getting ready to head to the gym, and then after that I'm spending the night at Nick's house because we might have tornadoes tonight, and I get scared on the 3rd floor of my apartment. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm just a scaredy cat, so. There was a ran over bird in the road. That's sad. I'm blonde again. I don't know if I filmed since I got blonde again, but I'm blonde again. Blonde again. I am blonde again. This week is Cinco de Mayo, and we're doing a little taco celebration at work. I'm bringing virgin margaritas and queso. Tacos. Okay. That was scary. I'm scared now. Oh, I don't want to be out there for lightning. Ah, holy crap.
That was loud. Oh, starting to rain finally. Woo! Wow, that was close too. That does not sound like lightning. That does not sound like lightning. You know, dude? That sounded like cannons. That was insane.
Welcome to Happy. It's Thursday. It is 95 degrees out. It's hot as balls, and I love it. Oh, he left. I've had this spider friend on the railing over here. I've been talking to him, and I named him Franklin. But he's gone now. Now I'm all alone. Sunday at 6:30 in the morning. I am going for my very first meditation walk. I don't know what to call it. What I'm doing today is probably 15 minutes meditating sitting, 15 minutes meditating walking, and just alternating. Eventually, I would like to do 90 minutes sitting, 90 minutes walking, 90 minutes sitting. Basically, there's this meditation retreat that I'd like to go on. It's like 5 days of that. So, anyway, I want to start doing that a little on the weekends. I I got here and the birds were going crazy. There were no other people here. The meditation part went well, but I didn't really feel like I reached a super meditative state. The birds were going crazy. This bird landed on my shoulder, I guess because I seemed so calm. You know, I literally just felt like Snow White, but it's been very beautiful.
We're here at Crybaby Bridge, and we're just appreciating how much water there is in the river today. And also they're constructing on the bridge.
Yeah, some big
No
construction
one's
stuff.
doing constructing, but like you just have it blocked off for construction.
We're here on Crybaby's Bridge, and they're doing constructing. But they're not actually doing the constructing, they just got it blocked off like they're gonna do constructing.
Will you edit those back to back?
Yeah.
But it's colder this week.
Yeah, it's in the 50s.
I think that one day last week it was like 94 for
Yeah, it got pretty hot.
And then a storm came through and now it's in the 50s. But next weekend it'll be warm again.
Yeah.
And it'll also be Memorial Weekend.
Memorial
So
Weekend.
hopefully they'll finally open up the pool.
Are we gonna have
so we can go
s'mores on
pooling.
Pooling. Memorials.
Oh, Memorial Weekend. I guess that's why they call it that, huh?
What's going on up there?
Dang.
Is there a big hole in this bridge?
It looks like some of the concrete's like gone up and some's gone down.
It looks like there's definitely
Or
some
is it
rubbish.
just, like, the rubbish, yeah.
It looks like there's
It's
definite.
just rubbish.
You think they just started working on it, so there's rubbish?
Yeah, I think you're right. Let's check it out. Now you do a time lapse.
Oh, I'm not walking on that.
Oh my gosh.
This is a danger zone.
What a dangerous zone.
This is freaking me out, man.
Dang. Hey, at least they got some carpet.
Why is there carpet?
Maybe they're working on their knees and they don't have knee pads, so they just throw some carpet down. Wow, someone knocked it over. Maybe it's just to keep stuff from going down.
Yeah,
Cracks and stuff.
probably. Okay.
I've never seen you have to do work on this bridge before.
Wop 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 Swarlitos. Wop 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 Swarlitos. Wop 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 Swarlitos. Sit in the car eating Swarlitos way. Wop 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 Swarlitos. Wop 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 Swarlitos. Wop 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 Swarlitos. Sit in the car eating Swarlitos way. Wop 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 Swarlitos. Wop 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 Swarlitos. Wop 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 Swarlitos. Sit in the car eating Swarlitos way.
Hi, dudes. Heath is coming over soon. He's in town, I think for Memorial Day, I guess. And we're gonna go to Whataburger because it's been 1 year since we went to Whataburger together. So we're gonna go to Whataburger together. But this time we are not gonna eat baby food. No baby food. Not for another 10 years. Especially during a formula shortage. I actually had those baby mums in my pantry forever. I might actually still have those baby mums in my pantry. If I do, I'm gonna give one to Heath when he gets here. Maybe. Aw, I'm gonna be really sad if I don't have them because that would have been funny. No! I got rid of the baby mums. Well, that could have been a fun joke thing. Alright, well, still waiting on Heath. He was supposed to get here an hour and a half ago. He was behind and then he got lost. So he's supposed to be here in like 15 minutes. And it got really beautiful outside all of a sudden, so I decided I'm just gonna go on a walk until he gets here. You know what I mean? Look at this. It's so pretty outside. It is the first time in days that it's been sunny out. It's been raining since like the whole week. I'm only gonna walk to the end of this path here. I am so excited to just have this spontaneous, beautiful walk. Look at these birds. Okay. I'm being a goober. But it's so pretty out! I'm gonna have a milkshake at Whataburger. So I'm actually happy to be going on a walk. So now I'm gonna burn calories and stuff. And then I'll enjoy my milkshake. It is so pretty outside, I can't get over it. What a beautiful day. Hello!
Hey!
Where are we?
Whataburger!
Whataburger!
Let's go! Annual Whataburger trip. This is what we do.
Whataburger 2022!
Yes, sir.
Hold left click while charging, is that what it said? At least at the right side. It's this one. Oh yeah.
Hi! There we go. We're swinging. It's very, very windy. Yeah! You're doing it. You look great. Oh, sick jump, dude.